Hello guys, so in this video I'll be sharing with you a few stocks that you can look out for opportunities in the coming weeks. So if you are new to this channel, this is Sagar Bhatt and in this channel I teach price action trading. So if that is something that interests you, then consider subscribing and let's get started. Now let us analyze how Nifty has moved over the past week. So what do we see in our Nifty chart? If we just move on to 4-hour time frame, we can see that over the past week Nifty has corrected by almost 3%. So after I went through my process of stock selection, which if you guys are interested to know how, then let me know in the comment section. I'll make another video on the process of stock selection. So after I went through my process of stock selection, I observed that almost all the sectors are looking weak and are not giving any entries according to my strategy. But there is one sector which is looking very strong, and it is none other than the banking sector. So let us look at Nifty Bank and let us see what are the charts telling us. So if we just go to Nifty Bank, what do we see? First of all, as I have already told that I'm already bullish on the banking stock. So Nifty Bank has recently given this very good breakout from the all-time high, okay, which it had made on February, and recently it gave a breakout, and recently again you can see that it has given a very good channel pattern breakout like this, which makes it look very bullish. Alright, and you can see that this week also there was some good retracement, and now it is almost ready to give a good move. So now the question comes, what are the stocks that you can look out for opportunities? Well, the first stock is none other than State Bank of India. So what do we see in SBI? We can see that first of all, SBI was inside. Okay, if you just see the previous charts, SBI was inside this range. Alright, it has been inside this range for quite long time, and it gave a very good breakout, and now the trend is very bullish. So what do I see here in SBI? I see that recently this stock has given a breakout like this. Alright, this is the breakout, and we can see that even when Nifty corrected, SBI is looking very strong. Okay, so I am very bullish on SBI, and I feel that it can give very good moves in the coming weeks. The second bank is none other than HDFC Bank. So if we just go to HDFC Bank, what do we see? We see that now I had told both of these stocks in our previous analysis video. Alright, so here again HDFC Bank has given a very good breakout from the all-time high. Alright, and after giving, we can see that there was a good correction here. So if we just move on to lower time frame, what do we see? In 1 hour we see that HDFC Bank has formed a pattern like this. Alright, it has given a good breakout. So I am also bullish on this stock, and I feel that since it has sustained these levels very strongly, so it can continue the rally going up. The next stock which looks very interesting to me is Axis Bank. So if we just open Axis Bank, what do we see? We see that Axis Bank has not yet given a break from the all-time high, unlike other banks. So we can see that it's exactly at its all-time high. Okay, so previously it had made a high of 820 in 2019, and now it is back to the same place, and it's actually inside this pattern. Alright, so we can say it's stuck inside this pattern, and it's almost ready to give a breakout. So if you are looking for entries, what you can do is be smart. Don't enter right away. Okay, let there be a breakout, and then if there is good volume confirmation, then you can look for good entering opportunities. So another stock which looks similar is HDFC. So if we just go to the HDFC thing, what do we see? We see that again this stock has just given a break from the all-time high. So you can see that almost all of the banking stocks are giving similar moves. Okay, so recently it gave a break and it's trying to take support. So this is another stock which looks good for short-term trading. The last stock that you can look for opportunities is Kotak Bank. Now what has happened in Kotak Bank? We can see that again same thing here also. The stock has given the all-time high breaks recently, and you can see a continuous stretch. Okay, so the problem is we can't really enter here, alright, because our stop loss, it can't be placed here. Okay, because the markets can retrace and it has to be somewhere below this region. So that's the issue that I see in Kotak Bank, and let's see how it goes. And also I see that it might face some rejection like this. It's also actually stuck inside this pattern. Alright, it's stuck inside this pattern. So if it gives a breakout from this pattern, then we might see good moves coming. So these are the stocks that I am looking for short-term trading opportunities. All of them are majorly belonging to the banking sector. Okay, now again, these are my analysis. It can go right or can go wrong. Make sure you manage your risk well. So if you found this video informative, and I'm damn sure you did, then make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such videos, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.